So yeah, I'm a spiritual person, and I do believe that, if I look at myself in and of myself, I know I'm not good enough. I mean, I'm like, I do things. I'm like, dude, how did I get here after all this? But I know it's not me. I mean, how do I explain it? So I've been a very fearful and anxious person growing up.
You know the verse Philippians 4:13?
Yeah.
So I have
I can
a
do all
tattoo of
things
like
through Christ.
Philippians
Yeah.
4:13. Why don't you say the verse first?
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
Yeah. So it effectively means that any ability is always God given. Like anything you do.
But it's just a conviction that the more it's helped me rise above my fears. And today, if you go to see, like it's the same thing. Like, my Father in heaven doesn't judge me based on how I do today, or judge me. Okay, if I do well, if I do well today, He loves me a lot. If I fail, He'll like get lost or He'll kick me. It's not that. His love for me is constant, and His love for me is the same. And I think that is one thing that gives me stability in this life. That, in the ups and downs, one thing is for sure, and one thing never changes, is God's love for me. And that's unconditional. And the more I realize that, the more it helps me rise above my fears, because this verse says perfect love. Only God's love is perfect. Jesus' love is perfect. He died on the cross for me. So that love casts out every fear. And today it's just a miracle, I think, of, I say my life is kind of a testimony of what God can do with the most broken people and make it into something beautiful. Because today I'm going and playing in stadiums filled with 84,000 people. For a girl who couldn't sit in a classroom full of 10 people, now going there at this international stage in front of cameras and so on, I think it's just a miracle. And I can't explain it, I can't say it, but I would just tell like whoever's watching to, maybe if you feel God's not real, ask Him to be real. He will reveal Himself to you.
Yeah. Miracles happen to those who seek. So that's what I strongly believe in.